Hello guys, welcome back to Mumkan YouTube channel, and this video is all about a small update on Dogecoin. So without further delay, let's get into the video. And I'm on Dogecoin chart on crypto exchange. So as you guys see, I have done a previous Dogecoin update on the channel, so you can go and check out that. So the long term prediction for me, the Dogecoin was, I just mentioned in that video, it's about the midterm is 4.27 and the long term is $25 per coin. Okay, so I have done a deep down analysis on that using the previous data, so you can go and check on that. So let's see what's happening in the market recently. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's a trend line that's been respected as a support here. Okay, so and also you can see a resistance that was previously a resistance. Okay, previous resistance, so now it has become a resistance. Okay, so when I gave this last update when the market was here, okay, I can remember that. So now let's with the data. Now the market is on a bearish side and the market is going on a correction now. Okay, don't think that this made a rejection and now it's good time for a bull run. So I don't think this is a start of bull run. Okay, so with the current data, okay, let's go with the basic knowledge. Okay, you can see that this is an impulsive wave. Okay, I'm using Elliott wave on this and some SMCC. So you can see that this is an impulsive, right? So I'll mark in another color. So this is an impulsive wave. So what impulsive wave is used in Elliott wave is 1 2 3 count. Okay, so let's use 1 2 3 count here. So if you take 1 2 3 count here, you can see that one wave has been formed and the second wave is a small wave, a correction wave, and the third wave is a larger wave. Okay, and then you can see that it has made the fourth wave, but fifth wave also made, but it's not a it's an inverse, it's a divergent. Okay, this is a type of wave. So those who are in Elliott theories, you know this, right? So every time the fifth wave shouldn't be breaking the third wave, it can be inside the third wave also. So now let's jump into the next part. Okay, so now what you see here guys, you can see a correction wave. Okay, you can see a correction wave starting here. This is a correction wave, am I right? This is I guess I'm sure that I'm right. So yes, you can see a correction wave. How do you find that? The distance traveled. Okay, and you can see the box difference. Okay, the larger the width, the larger the it's a correction, it's called a correction. So let's use corrective waves here. What are the corrective waves? ABC or else ABC E. Okay, A to E. Okay, that's what I use. Okay, let's go to the 4 and the start of here is 1, right? I'll consider this as A and B, C, D, E. You can use ABC also here. Okay, let's consider this as A, B and C. Okay, so both waves are aligned with this. So now the correction wave has been over. So next, what do you call this? So this made a we can't make sure until the correction wave is done. We can't say that this is an impulsive until a correction wave is done. Okay, so I'll consider this a correction wave and impulsive wave. When if it should be a correction wave, then it should last for at least, it should be larger than the last one. The correction should be larger than the impulse, right? So what I see is, guys, okay, this is let's go with the Elliott wave. Now impulsive, it's count for 1 2 3. Okay, let's say this is a 1 2 and I'll consider this as 3. 1 can be either this the hides broken or else this. Okay, so now what you see here, the previously the same. Okay, so in the minor frames this is bullish, guys, now. So there's no way to go and break this. So I consider this wave is like a bit like this. Okay, the impulsive wave is like this. The same thing could happen here. Okay, and also what I see here is, guys, we can see a trend line here. Okay, we can see a trend line descending trend line. Remember that whenever descending trend line is broken to the upside, what happens? The market vigorously falls to the downside. So I think this will be the scenario what's gonna happen. Okay, so I marked out the point of interest here. Okay, it has respected here also. And the next one, it's laying on this is a selling zone I am looking for. Zone is between 0.34 to 0.31. These are the selling zone that I am looking for. So these two are the selling zone that I am looking for. If you go for a long now, it's not risky, because you can keep your stop loss above this. You should keep your stop loss in this. Okay, if you're going for a scalp, it's better to go for here. Okay, that will be invalid zone. So the higher time frame analysis is a bit confirmed, right? The direction is now for long side, because why? The impulse has been done and fifth wave has been also been done. Now it's going for a correction wave. So correction wave takes long, okay, long duration. So let's consider that like this, right? The correction wave could be, it can be like this. The box the width is different, okay, not the height, with difference in the corrective wave. So if you go for the minor time frames like 1 hour, okay, you can see the structure breaks, and you see what you see here. If you go 15 minutes, this will be the structure to the upside, okay, and also this will be the low, and that low has been broken. Inside that we had some minor structures, you see, that's sideways market, guys. So that's what market was doing in the start of January. So these are not January, right? Okay, so this market was a bit uncertainty during this time. Okay, see how it has gone. There are no clear direction. I mean, it's not a good sign for any long or short position. Even for long, this is not a good position. Okay, and you can see that this has only just taken the liquidity, okay, but not break and close to the downside. So the bullish side is confirmed now. Okay, now let's go here, somewhere here. Okay, let's go here. So downside has broken, BOS has been taken and given, and as well as we had BOS to the upside, and we broke a supply zone. Okay, so this will act as a POI, okay, for next trades. So if you are looking for a trades, you can just go from here. So this is a good level of interest. The market has been going all over to that place, and you can see here descending, or else you can see here what I see is a triangle. Okay, so I'll just go for even more lower time frames, and I'll just mark out the triangle. Okay, so this trend line is visible to my eyes. Okay, so this is the trend line that is visible to my eyes. And also you can draw the symmetrical trend line like this, the pattern like this as well. Okay, so the upside is guaranteed, guys. So look for the long sides. Okay, so what happened here, we had a BOS here. Okay, and we had retracement to the demand zone, so demand is in control. I go to 1 hour and just find out a demand. So it has respected this FEG. Okay, this FEG has been respected here, and it has made a impulse move here, and as well as it is planning. You can see these trend lines. Every time the market has met this trend line and mitigated. Okay, see the first time how was the selling pressure? It was higher. So the second time, if it is a order flow or anything, it should have gone and break the structure. It haven't broken. What happened? It has just I mean in a total smaller time frame, it has respect to a demand zone. Okay, so that means the buyers are in control. So and this trend line is getting weaker. Okay, so if you go for 30-minute, yeah, as I said, it has been respect to a demand zone. So if this continued to the upside, we can aim for at least 1 to 3. Just say how far this coin can go. So now the direction is confirmed to the long side. We can, for a short term, we can aim for this. Okay, we can aim for $0.27. So this will be the target. Okay, and as well, if the high is broken here, guys, then we can aim for the zone. I mean the interest in a high, the zone that I drew on a higher time frame is the target. Okay, so if the high is taken, the minimum reachable is this. Don't aim for the zone, just be safe in your side. Okay, this will be the next target. Okay, so these are two resistance and fib levels that I consider to take your profits, and after that onwards you can go for a short. These two prices that I given here is what a selling zone. Okay, so look, whatever you are looking for, look for a short in here. Okay, so if you are looking for a spot trades, so you should if you go for higher time frame, guys, if you go for higher time frames, okay, in a big picture this is a correction wave, right? So in a big picture this is an impulse. Okay, this is an correction wave, it is taking too much. So now what this market is happening, the market is making ABC. Okay, A, B, C and D somewhere here, and E will be a bit light of manipulation. Okay, it will be, I mean it will be strong to the downside. So if you take a look like that, guys, you can see that the market made a structure in a high time frame. So if you go with the 50%, okay, 50%, so market can fill this 50% and then all the way bounce to the upside. It's all on BTC and on the market political side. Okay, so if it is driven by political, this could even go low. Okay, and let's yeah, this will be the target. Okay, and another target that I am recommending for DCA is this trend line. Okay, this is a strong trend line, is this creating a strong trend line. So if you're looking for, you can just here. Okay, in this trend line. So I don't know exactly where the trend line is being indicated. We'll see in the future. In the future. So this is my scenario, guys. Okay, so my scenario for this is bearish. Okay, now it's below, above 50%, and this is overbought also. So according to Elliott wave, this should go down. Okay, so I hope those are struggling with the analysis on this particular coin, I hope this video was useful for you, and let's meet up on another update on the crypto market. So until then, stay tuned and see you all, guys.